What's going on, guys? I am back here at Kentucky Kingdom, and here's another update for Flying Fox. Look at that, guys. This is where they're working on the helix. They got the concrete down. Starting to work on the foundation of it too as well. As you can see. Last time when I showed you guys, it was just a big hole with water, frozen water, but now we've got this. Look at that. We've got the rebar right here too. We've got the concrete. It's coming along now, guys. Also over here, we got the station too as well. As you can see, working on the station. And the footers too as well. Outside the station. As you can see too as well, guys. But we do have stuff in here for the ride. It has arrived. Just don't know when it arrived, but I'll show you that too, guys. But there's the station. It's coming along nicely. It is. The park opens May 9th for the 2026 season at 10 a.m. As the ride is projected to open too as well on opening day too as well. Look at that. That is actually phenomenal. That's actually cool to see that. And if you look over there, that's where the hole is going to be. Right, right over there where I pointed. As you see, they already started where that fence was at, where the North Star stage was for Christmas. That is now gone, and that fence is gone. I started tearing up that too as well, because this is where the coaster is going to go by too as well, right over here. As you can see, a little bit of, because the coaster and the supports and everything will go right over here too, guys. Well, this is another big update. Like I said, we also have some track here, but it's the lift, and I'll show you guys in the next video too as well. Don't know when it arrived, but my buddy actually showed me that. So it's coming along now, guys. Let's go. All right, are you guys ready? Reveal in 3, 2, 1. Look at that. That's cool. This is the lift. 2 sections, as you can see. Now, I don't know when this came in, but my buddy came up here and told me this. So I thought I'd come up here and show everybody this too as well, guys. How cool is that? It's green. Interesting, but hey, I'm here all for it, which is cool. But look at that, guys. We have the lift. So it's one step closer before sometime they can go vertical. Don't know when other stuff, support the stuff, will be here, but as you can see, they have the stuff for that right too as well. All the construction stuff, it looks like, and that right there too as well. But this is cool, guys. one step closer before we go in vertical. So this is cool. As you can see, the drive motors for it too as well. So let me know what you guys think. Who's ready for Flying Fox? This is cool. Let's go.